We just woke up, had a lovely breakfast at the Windjammer, and we're pulling into Nassau right now. So we want to go to the hot tubs in the solarium that jut out to watch us pull in.
We were in the hot tub for a while.
We really enjoyed it. I'm a little like pruny from it.
Too.
Okay, what did we just find?
So we're docked right next to Adventure of the Seas.
Which we were just on a couple months ago, a couple weeks ago.
No.
And that's our old room right there.
So let me try to zoom in on this. There, right there, that's our room.
Wow, we love you, Adventure.
That was our first cruise together.
Yeah, now we're on our second cruise together.
And all those losers on right now are about to get off.
Yeah, but all those winners are about to get on and start a 7-night cruise, and we're only on a 3-night cruise. So I'm a little jealous, sure.
Now I'm gonna go do the full rider. I wasn't able to get the private lesson booked because nobody else signed up. I was the only one. So maybe next cruise. But I'm just gonna do the open session that's going on right now.
And I'm gonna watch because last time I got injured and I don't really think I'm gonna do it again.
So I'm having bad luck with the flow rider. The app said that they would be open, but the actual paper cruise compass had a different time that it was gonna be open.
So we're here in Nassau today, but we are staying on the ship and we've got a packed schedule. We're gonna go see if pizza is open. We're gonna take a shower. We're gonna play mini golf. We're gonna get some lunch at El Loco Fresh, maybe get some dessert at Playmakers, and go rock climbing. So we've got a busy day.
So I've been looking at people's wrists to see how many people are vaccinated. And I've only seen 2 people without the wristband.
Jeez. Which is pretty good. I'm happy about that.
We're here at El Loco Fresh for lunch. What are you gonna get?
I think I'm gonna do 2 tacos, 1 pork, 1 chicken.
I got a quesadilla and a chicken burrito.
Wow.
How's your food so far?
It's pretty good. I do feel like the salsa bar was a little bit different during COVID. Not that I've had it not during COVID, but like, I feel like it'd be better if you served yourself, but the food's excellent.
So we decided to do a multi-restaurant lunch. So we just finished up our El Loco Fresh. Now we're gonna head to Cafe Promenade, probably get a sandwich, and then for dessert, Playmakers.
Just pigging out.
I don't love any of those sandwiches.
Me either. Okay. I wish that the pizza was open.
Let's go see if it's open. Let's go see.
Okay, I want Sorrento's.
Okay, lunch part 2. I got barbecue chicken.
I got pepperoni. Bon appetit.
Someone's unvaccinated now.
Okay, so I took off my little orange bracelet to take a shower, and I forgot to put it back on, and I'm vaccinated.
We probably have to go back now.
I think we should go back to the room. I don't want them to be like, because isn't Playmakers vaccinated only?
I don't know. Might be. It would be horrible if you lost it.
No, I know where it is. I know that I took it off to take a shower.
Okay, put your hand in your pocket so nobody sees.
Okay.
So maybe we've seen other people without it.
Who forgot it.
They just showered and,
Yeah. I'm embarrassed. Crisis averted. See, they told us to like put it on extra loose so that you can take it off whenever you want.
Which seems weird, actually, to me.
Yeah, I feel like they should have said put it on extra tight and then cut off the tail.
Because couldn't you hand that to someone that's not vaccinated?
Possibly. But that's what happened. I'm vaccinated. I'm so sorry.
So we made it back to Playmakers. We already know what we want. No need to look at the menu.
Yeah.
Getting the cookie thing. And I just noticed, I never noticed this last night. The ceiling goes up to the promenade. How did we not notice that?
I don't know. We weren't sitting in this area.
We couldn't get the cookie because I'm allergic to hazelnut, and there was hazelnut in the cookie, so we got something better.
We got ice cream.
The touchdown sundae comes with a helmet that we get to keep later.
There's 5 different types of ice cream, and it's our job to figure out what I like. I think this is just vanilla.
We've been eating this, and I thought the bowl was just this thing on top.
Yeah, it was like surface level.
Yeah, but look how deep my spoon will go into this thing.
That's all the way down to the bottom of this thing.
Yeah, that's a lot of ice cream.
And we're gonna eat all of it.
We've been watching South Carolina play football.
Go Cox.
And we thought it was a live game.
Yeah, I was like, oh, maybe it's preseason. Maybe we're watching like a good right now game. Then all of a sudden they pan up. It's nighttime and like the crowd is like in full form. Nobody's wearing a mask. We're like, this is an old game.
Fully packed stadium at night, and we're like, I guess this isn't live.
So that's silly, but I'm still like really drawn to it. I don't know what's gonna happen. So, you know, go Cox. Let's see what happens.
Still enjoying all of this ice cream.
But just to let you know, South Carolina did beat Georgia, so that's great.
It did happen multiple years ago.
We don't know how long ago, but it happened, and we're glad.
They gave us a new one because I wanted to take it home because you can. That's what it's for. So we made a what to pack for your cruise video, and we said a deck of cards. And someone said you could get a free deck of cards with the name of the ship on it from GUSS Services.
We're gonna check to see if that's true.
Yeah. Awesome.
That's awesome. Thank you so much.
So it turns out it's true.
It works.
They have free decks of cards at GUSS Services.
Oh my gosh.
It doesn't say the name of the ship on it.
Yeah, but it's still cool because we know we got it from here.
Yeah.
Thanks, person, for telling us this trick.
So now we came outside and we're gonna check out the helipad because one, we want to check it out. Two, we want to see if Freedom and Adventure are lined up perfectly so we can see which ship is longer.
Yeah.
Even though we know it's Freedom, but we want to see how much longer it is. So we came out on deck 4 and then we took the stairs up and then we can come out here. So this looks just like Adventure. We should come out here maybe when we sail away.
Absolutely. Although it'll be late.
Oh yeah, we sail away really late tonight.
It's like 8:30.
Yeah, like boarding the ship is at 8:30 tonight.
Oh yeah, so we're probably leaving. We're at 9. Wow, they're boarding that boat right there, so they're gonna have to go through the two ships.
Yeah, I was watching them do that from our room earlier.
Really?
Yeah.
It looks really nice here. It's making me think like, wow, we should have gotten off and like gone to Atlantis.
Next time.
Next time we'll do.
We have other cruises planned where we're gonna be coming to Nassau, so because this is only a 3-night.
We just wanted to enjoy the beauty of freedom of the seas.
Yeah. And we'll be back here on a longer cruise.
Yeah.
So you texted your friends like, oh, I'm watching the South Carolina game, and we thought like maybe they wouldn't notice. Like,
yeah, I kind of got called out. Like, oh, it's football started, and now I have to explain that I was an idiot. So that's unfortunate.
Freedom class is much bigger than Voyager class, which is what Adventure is, but it's not that much bigger. So they're pretty much lined up here, but we went to the aft where the flowrider was, and like there was a difference. Like Freedom was obviously longer.
Yeah, it was jutting out a little in the back.
But it's not as much as you would think.
No, it's not. And also the levels are the same. Like the pool deck is on level 11 on each boat. And
ship,
so sorry.
How could you?
I'm so sorry.
But like we know the layout of Adventure, so like we know the layout of Freedom. Like we know where everything is.
Absolutely. The only differences are like the elongated pool in the middle and the elongated Royal Promenade, and that's kind of it.
But like the pool is a million times better.
Oh, obviously we're not talking about like decor.
Well, even like here's the thing. Freedom has things that Adventure doesn't have, like playmakers. Mm-hmm. Like there is no equivalent.
No.
Like there is, like that's just a bonus space on the ship.
Right.
Yeah. I have nothing else to say.
Okay, here's what I have to say, and it's not for the camera. You dropped ice cream.
This is your fault.
I know.
Okay, so now we're gonna go play some mini golf, I think.
And this time I told Brian he needs to play properly. Like no like hitting the ball before it stops moving and not counting it as an additional stroke. That's not cool.
Remember on Adventure it's called Adventure Dunes and we were wondering if that was the ship? So it's just the ship name.
Plus dunes.
Now we're on deck 13. We were just on the helipad, now we're up here. It's in the front of the ship, unlike Adventure where there was in the back. Okay.
hot.
Loser has to get under there with their clothes on.
All right.
Deal?
No.
This one looks very hard. Oh. Here's what doesn't make sense. Here's the head of the dolphin. His tail's all the way over there.
Maybe that's his friend.
Hey, I did it.
That's impressive.
Hole in one.
What?
Yeah. This means you need to go under the shower thing. So we finished up our mini golf game and then somehow you fell asleep for 30 minutes.
These things happen sometimes after a long, hard fought mini game. And now we have to go climb a rock wall, so you need a nap in between all the activities. Okay.
Next. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I wasn't expecting that to be so scary. All right, thank you, yeah.
Wow. Okay, it's harder than it looks. That is way harder than it looks.
Oh my gosh, and look, these kids are making it look so easy.
I think that we did the easy one, which is like for kids, like there's like little dinosaurs and stuff. But I think the medium one would actually be better because the pegs are bigger.
But I'm like sweating and like my legs are shaking.
Yeah.
And like I made it halfway up the thing. So I'm a little disappointed in myself, but it's okay.
It was like actually scary when it was time to like come down.
To release and like you had to just jump back and like trust it.
Like to let go of the rope or the wall is just,
Yeah.
oh my God.
So after doing the rock wall and getting all dressed for dinner, we're ready to go to Izumi Hibachi. We had Izumi on Adventure of the Seas, but not the hibachi style, so we're excited to try this out.
So we wrapped up dinner and then we hit the hot tub.
So now we're headed to the production show, Once Upon a Time.
We accidentally found ourselves at Sorrento's right before the show, and I'm gonna try to sneak this in. I don't know if this is allowed, but it should be. Well, this is perfect. We got a little table here for our pizza.
And a perfect view of the stage. The show just wrapped up. We're heading back to the room now before our fun day at Perfect Day at Coco Key tomorrow for my birthday.
Looks like we got a good GUSS.
Guys, you're beautiful. Gus, you have really outdone yourself.